Yo dudes! Welcome to Bbq Tofu Ribs.
Okay, so this is a lovely simple dish. We grew up eating ribs.
We used to love them, they were one of our favourites.
And here we're making low-fat version. We're going to use an air fryer. There's an easy way without an air fryer that you can do it too, but they're grizzly, they're delicious, and just the dressing is magnificent.
They're perfect for anyone that wants to lose weight, eat low fat, while also being high in fibre, and they are banging.
Okay, first step, let's take a firm block of tofu. This is 300 grams. We're going to slice this into approximately 1 centimetre thick. And now we're gonna just chop them up into little triangles. For those of you who don't know an air fryer, this is Shawnee's favorite way of cooking. What they do is you're actually frying with air, so it's a wonderful, it's like a little small convection oven. There you are. So simply we're gonna put them in here.
And if you don't get an air fryer, an oven works just as well. We're just using an air fryer because it's easier and means that it uses less energy.
We're gonna cook these for 15 minutes at high temperature in our air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until it comes out grizzly.
Okay, so we baked them in our air fryer for 15 minutes. As Steve said, you can use the oven 15 minutes at 220.
But look at the texture for phenomenal. So this is no oil added, this is simply the tofu, but it's got this wonderful grizzle, really kind of crispy texture that's just perfect.
And because we use the air fryer or the oven at 220 degrees, they end up, you don't have to use any oil, so they're low fat, they're less than 7% fat.
Okay, we're gonna make our marinade glaze for our ribs. So, starting out, Dave's favorite drink of all time,
umami!
Tamari. So we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of tamari.
This is gonna give that deep kind of salty bacon rib type flavor. Okay, sweetener is gonna create the glaze, so we're gonna go with 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. So this is going to help the sugars caramelize on the outside and create a glaze.
2 tablespoons of tomato puree. That's going to just give it a kind of a barbecued-like texture.
In terms of spices, we're keeping it really simple. We're going with 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. If I don't have this, what could I use instead?
You could leave it out, but it's worth seeking out because it has that wonderful subtle, you have this subtle fennel note, this subtle kind of clove note that just adds this kind of extra bit of, ooh, what's that? And finally, just 2 tablespoons of water just so we get a nice runny texture.
So we're just gonna whisk it all together using a fork, a spoon, whatever kind of implement you have.
Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually reduce our marinade and start it to glaze on a saucepan first, and then we're gonna coat the tofu in it. It's a nice simple method, but it means that we're gonna end up, because we're not using oil here, because we wanna keep it low fat, this is the best way to create a wonderful glaze on the surface of the tofu.
Okay, so take a wide bottom non-stick pan. Very important it's non-stick, particularly because we're using no oil here. Obviously, if you don't have a non-stick pan, you're gonna have to use oil, but that's gonna increase the fat content. So we've got this in a low heat, and you wanna keep it moving because there's lots of maple syrup, its tendency will be to stick as it starts to warm up. So keep it moving around the pan, and we're literally just gonna heat this up. Okay, as soon as it starts to boil and bubble up, it's still not sticky, but it's perfect temperature. Add them to the pan. We're at a low heat now. As soon as I add the tofu, I'm gonna knock it off the heat. And very important, take 2 implements and we're just gonna coat each bit of tofu, each bit of our ribs in our sauce.
So our favorite way to serve this is kind of like in a butter bowl style thing. So we've cooked to some short grain or some brown basmati rice. We charred some tender stem broccoli.
So it's amazing.
It's really, really, really good. So to do that, I simply parboiled it until it was nearly cooked, took it out, drained it, and then literally put it in a griddle pan. Kind of 5 minutes each side until it chars.
That's a griddle pan in case you're wondering what it is. It's just a ribbed pan.
And if you don't have that, the easiest way to do that is simply just bake it in the oven when you're cooking your tofu. Same way we did the exact same with the bok choy. Just creating that char is gonna add that extra dimension of flavor, that slight kind of charred, just extra note.
We've got some sauerkraut here, and we've just done the same with some red onion just to give a pop of color.
A nice little thing is just to put a few capers in there. They're just bringing that bang of salt that'll just help break up the greens and just add another dimension of flavor in there.
Okay, so here we go. Our tofu is nicely marinated. Our tofu, low-fat tofu ribs. Okay, so here we go. Barbecued tofu
So
ribs.
it looks beautiful like a bowl like that. It literally took us 15-20 minutes to make. This is low fat. This is healthy. This is super tasty.
It's whole food. It's less than 7% fat. And wait till you taste this. Wait, this one is dedicated to you. This is.
So you can see how grizzly, geez, flavor off that tofu. Like the marinade creates this sticky surface on the outside, and the tofu is genuinely super grizzly.
So you've got the marinade that gives that barbecue ribbed taste, and the texture, the crunchiness of the tofu and the dryness really gives that context. It's a fantastic, it
Big
really is.
shout out to air fryers. They allow you to cook without oil and create as though you've used kind of fat to create this type of texture.
Really good. This is a fantastic dish, really wonderful. It's a tofu ribs Buddha bowl, really, to all extents and purposes.
Thanks for watching. Please check out, if anyone wants to learn more about our courses down below, you can pre-order our book, and wishing you a good day. Cheers.